Welcome to Dinaka Gear Co. Today we're going to be talking about Thinsulate. All right, so Thinsulate is one of four main options that you have in order to insulate your van. I would say option one would be don't insulate it at all. Option two would be, use foam board and some other stuff to glue it all over the place. Option three would be a natural material, like let's say a Havelock or some other type of wool, or maybe even like a rock wool product. And then option four would be an engineered product like Thinsulate. So this is one of the most common products that we find is used in van insulation. This is 3M Thinsulate SM600L. Now this product was designed to insulate vehicles. So it is specifically made for the application in which we are using it, and typically that is the main sales pitch for selecting Thinsulate. It gives you a great R value for its thickness, all right, and it is also less susceptible to moisture than natural fiber, and it is also specifically designed to reduce noise. So a lot of reasons to use Thinsulate, all right? Some of the reasons why people choose not to use Thinsulate is because it does require some unnatural things in order to use it in your van, right? So when we apply Thinsulate inside of a van, we normally do it with a 3M high strength Super 90 spray adhesive, which requires you to wear a respirator, okay? So we literally throw on respirators, grab a can of this, grab some really sharp scissors, and we go to work cutting sections of this, spraying adhesive to this and the material in which we're applying it to, and sticking it in location. Beyond that, we also just cut it into small strips and small pieces and jam it into every nook and cranny in a van. But if you're looking for the best possible solution for insulating a van or RV or truck camper or any mobile application, I would say you should take a hard look at Thinsulate, because it is designed for the purpose, and once it is applied, it does a phenomenal job at doing what it's designed to do. So hopefully that's helpful as you guys choose insulation, and if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. We'll help you any way we can.